Alright guys, so a company came to me and emailed me and said, how would you like to do an unboxing and review on something? And I said, sure, why not? I have it right here. This company sent me something and we're going to do a little unboxing, short little review on it. It's for a wireless phone charger. And I also have another sponsored video coming soon. So they sent me this and I picked which one I wanted. I said I wanted the phone charger. It's by HBorna. I'll put down the description below where you guys could check it out if you guys want to get it. It is retail for $20 on Amazon. So we're going to check it out and see what we think about it. I'm going to be honest about it if I like it or I don't like it. So let's check it out. I did get it today. So, I mean, this is like a sponsor video and they wanted me to, do a video on this. So I was like, sure, why not? And I actually been wanting to get a wireless charger. So let's check it out. Like that, don't you? All right, so they sent it pretty fast. They sent it like I got it within like 2 days. So I was like, heck yeah. I mean, it's pretty small. There it is. Boom. Open it up. Basically, it's about $19.39 to buy it, and it's basically a wireless charger, 5 watts. It says fast charger. I did get the black. They do have red. I do have red, gold, and black, and I got the black one so it lights around. So if you guys could kind of see the picture right there. So let's open it up and just try this out. This is compatible. This is compatible with iPhone XS, XR, X, 8, 8 Plus, Ultra Slim, 10 watt fast wireless charger for Samsung Galaxy Note 9, S9, S8, S7, S Edge, and Note 5. No AC adapter. Pretty much there it is right there. It is pretty small. It is really, really slim. You guys can kind of see the glare. Like, now it is it is kind of like it doesn't have like a soft texture. So if you got like something, you'll probably like scratch it and stuff. Let's see if we could let's see if there's like a plastic thing on here. Now there is a plastic thing over it, and that's why you could kind of see the scratches, but you could peel it off or leave it on if you want to. It also does have like the little pads on the bottom. Set it there, put your phone on and stuff. Boom. So hey, why not? Oh, it's probably I'm sorry. It does come with the wire cable, but not an AC adapter. Okay, so you just have to plug it in. All right, I mean that makes sense. It does come with the little package in here. This little instruction book. It does come with this. Now, basically, it comes with the little charge thing. It is a regular little USB, so you can just like plug it into your thing. I mean, honestly, this is not like something Apple or something really expensive, but for $20, and I'm gonna let you know if it works. All right, first of all, the cord is really long. I really like that. That's a good plus. So we just plug it in right there. Bada bing, bada bam. I mean, I like it because it's sleek. All right, so we got a Ryu box. I'm gonna use my Ryu Street Fighter Funko Pop box. So you can peel this off. There's like a little sticky thing right on there. Now the thing is, as you guys can see, it's very like, so if you don't have, like, say your phone is just straight phone, it's going to like scratch it up. So either you want to leave that on or leave it off. So the only thing is, like, my phone, I have the LG. Now see, it says Samsung, Note, and iPhones. So I have the LG G7 ThinQ, so I don't even know if it's going to work. But we're going to find out. And I'm going to let you know. So I'm going to plug it in. Plug it in right now. Okay, as you can see, the light is on. So that's really cool. I like that. So it's telling me, hey, it's on. So let me clean my phone off. Now they do come with this little thing, and I think this is to put it on there so it doesn't slide and stuff. But since I have a rubber case, I'm good. So we're gonna try it with the case and see if it works. Oh yeah, it works. That's really cool. Now it's not super big, as you guys could tell. It's kind of like slim, but dude, it works. And it's fast charging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlock my phone. And it is charging right now. And it's fast charging. That is really cool. And you know, honestly, for 20 bucks, you can't beat it. I mean, it's something small and sleek. This is a good like Christmas present or something if you want to get your family, because they can go up really expensive, $50, $60. I'm sure they can go pretty high. And there's all different kinds, and some of them you get and you don't know if it works and stuff. But hey, I'm here to do an unboxing on it. Now, honestly, I like it. It's slick, it's slim. It's just something you could stick somewhere and charge your phone. It does work for LG G7 ThinQ. And now it does work for Samsung Galaxy Note 9. If you want to know the specs, just click on the description of the item. And if you guys want to get it, it'll tell you all the stuff that, you know, pretty much what I said in the beginning of the video. So, you know, honestly, and the company came to me, wrote to me, and I said, sure. And I'm going to give them an honest review. I give this a 10. I mean, I really don't see anything bad with this. I really don't need this, but you could stick this on there so your phone doesn't slide if you don't have a case. So it does work with the case. It works with my case. I have a gel case. I'll take it off and do another test and show you, just to let you guys know. I keep my phone in very good shape. I mean, so we're gonna put it on there. Boom, right up. And right there, it tells you if it's charging, and then they said when it's done, it'll turn green. That is really cool. I actually like that. Maybe something put by your bed or something. I just think that's really cool. And let's put the case back on. Do it this way. And you can do it either way. Yeah, see, it pretty much works. It works instantly. Now, I noticed when the case is on, it kind of leaves a little, like, imprint. So I don't know if it's going to get like super hot or it's what it's going to do. So we'll leave it here for a few minutes while we do the video. So other than that, that's about it. If you guys want to check it out, like I said, I'll put down the description below where you guys can check this out. I'll put this in my tech unboxing playlist. This is actually the first smallest item I ever got from a company. I did get other sponsors from other stuff. I am getting a gaming mouse, and that's going to be coming soon. I did a video on another gaming mouse. If you want to check that out, go in my tech unboxing playlist. It's not the Razer. I think it's the Hyperlink or something. I'm not sure which one it was. There's only 2 gaming mouses I did. So if you guys want to check those out, they wrote to me. They want to send me their other updated gaming mouse. So I'm going to do an unboxing and review on that. So that is awesome. So honest opinion, I think it's great. I mean, a cheap little $20 chargeable, you know, if you guys want to get your bang for your buck, there you go. Before I go, I got a video coming. It's going to take me some time to edit and make this video, but I am doing a 2018 desk setup. Now, I was going to do it and send it out next week, but I'm going to wait till after Black Friday because I might be getting some good deals on some more tech stuff for my PC desk setup. So I'm going to wait till after Black Friday and then send out the video. So guys, look forward to that. So this thing is on here, and I'm assuming you could put this on here like this. And I think that's what it's for, is not to make the phones. There you go. Yeah. So the phone doesn't slide around on it. That is really cool. I like that. So there it is. It's pretty much just a small little sleek thing. It is kind of slippery around the side, so watch out when you're holding it. You could be dropping it. You can peel this off and put it back on. So you could peel it off, put it back on. That's about it. I want to do a little short unboxing on this. Thank you guys so much for watching Josh Tech Gamer. Appreciate it. If you guys like these tech throw that away so loud. If you guys like these tech unboxing videos, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And there's going to be more videos coming. I was gonna live stream last week, but I was still kind of catching a cold. I still had that cold and cough, so I didn't want to like keep streaming and coughing. So that's why I haven't streamed. I want to get back into Fortnite. I'm not gonna be streaming as much as I did before, but I still be streaming once in a while and stuff. So don't worry, guys. If you guys want to join my Discord, Twitter, and Instagram, everything will be down in the description below. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer, and check you guys later. Oh, yeah, it's charging. I love it. What am I gonna do? I mean, this is a great stocking stuffer, right? For Christmas. Little pads on the. So, okay, I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing is like really slippery. It's like jumping out of my hands.